This is a system file often used to organize ebooks on older devices. It's an index, not the book itself. You usually can't read it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll explain the structure. Just a heads up, when we get to our final point, the one-click fix, we'll be discussing the value of a single powerful IBK file inspection tool. The IBK extension identifies a proprietary backup archive created by Acer System Utilities, or IdeaSix software. These files are designed to store compressed copies of critical system data, including drivers and configuration files, to facilitate a full system restore in the event of a hard drive failure or OS corruption. IBK files are binary archives that require the native Acer Recovery or IdeaSix software for extraction. Because they are often split into multiple volumes, all segments of the backup must be present for a successful restore. Users can sometimes rename the extension to zip to browse internal files if the native restoration utility fails. This IBK file is handled by the industry standard tool Acer Recovery Management from Acer Inc. A dedicated program is essential to prevent unintended security breaches or data loss. Windows can detect the file but not analyze it, so specialized tools must interpret the contents. The problem is often a missing file hook. Right-click the IBK file and choose Open With. Start with Acer Recovery Management if available. If not, select another application from the list. If you still cannot open your IBK file, that is okay. Because the IBK format is often tied to niche applications, we must check the foundation. Let's go through our quick verification list now. First, use Associated Program. Open the file using the original Acer Backup software or IdeaSix Backup program. Next, use the Restore function. Launch the original application and use its file. Restore or File, Import Backup menu option. Finally, rename Extract. Rename the file extension to zip or rar and attempt to open it with a universal archive tool like 7-zip. If your apps can't interpret the IBK file, it is likely a structural incompatibility caused by different programs using the same label. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. I advise using the FileMagick Universal Viewer. It's the ultimate solution for dealing with the IBK format. Visit FileMagick.com to get your copy. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like. I'll see you in the next technical deep dive.